Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss about the topic mechanism of hearing.
Okay, sir.
Tell me an introduction about the mechanism of hearing, Lisa.
Sound waves travel through external auditory medias and procedure vibrations in the tympanic membrane. Vibrations from tympanic membrane travel through malleus and incus and reach the steps, resulting in the movement of stapes.
Okay, explain the role of external ear, Sam.
External ear directs the sound waves towards tympanic membrane. Sound waves produce pressure changes over the surface of tympanic membrane.
Good. What are the role of middle ear? Lisa.
In role of tympanic membrane, due to the pressure changes produced by sound waves, tympanic membrane vibrates, that is, it moves in and out of middle ear. Thus, tympanic membrane acts as a resonator that reproduces the vibration of sound.
What about the role of auditory ossicles? Sam.
Vibrations set up in tympanic membrane are transmitted through the malleus and incus and reach the steps, causing to and fro movement of stapes against oval window and against lymph present in scala vestibuli of cochlea.
Okay, explain about the role of eustachian tube, Lisa.
Eustachian tube is not concerned with hearing directly. However, it is responsible for equalizing the pressure on either side of tympanic membrane.
What is the role of inner ear? Sam.
Traveling wave, movement of footplates of stapes against oval window causes movement of perilymph and scala vestibuli. This fluid does not move all the way from oval window to round through helicotrema.
Very good. Then explain the excitation of hair cells, Lisa.
Stereochelia of hair cells, an organ of Corti, are embedded in tectorial membrane. Hair cells are tightly fixed by cuticular lamina reticularis and the pilar cells or road of Corti.
Explain the electrical events during process of hearing, Sam.
Sound transduction is a type of sensory transduction in the hair cell, an organ of Corti, by which the sound energy is converted into action potentials in the auditory nerve fiber.
What is endocochlear potential?
Endocochlear potential is the electrical potential developing fluids outside the hair cells.
Okay, what about the action potential in auditory nerve fiber?
Action potential in auditory nerve fiber is generated by cochlear microphonic potential. It obeys all or none law and has a definite threshold and refractory period.
Explain the appreciation of loudness of sound.
Appreciation of loudness of sound depends upon the activities of auditory nerve fibers. Intensity or loudness of sound correlates with two factors.
Explain the two factors.
Rate of discharge from the individual fibers of auditory nerve. Total number of nerve fibers discharging.
Very good. Finally, explain the localization of sound.
Sound localization is the ability to detect the source from where sound is produced or the direction through which sound wave is traveling. It is important for survival, and it helps to protect us from moving objects such as vehicles.
Okay, students. Today's discussion is over. Thank you.